My country people, now welcome back to my channel today. Khosi don't come out, come cry out for her live video wey be say she do over IG account wey be say they don't hack, and also Bella don't come out to come find her boyfriend wey be say they call Sheggz publicly for internet space. So BB Titan winner wey be say they call Khosi since she come out of Big Brother house, the girl she have been doing very well for herself. She na one of the winners wey be say we know to say till now she just dey win without any controversy. So today she come out to come do a live wey be say she try to explain to say her Instagram account say they don hack am, and the person dey buy followers, for her Instagram account, and the thing dey affect her badly. Say when it comes to all this buying of followers or buying of likes, buying of comments, most of all these platforms they no dey support am. If you dey do am too much, they go take down your page. So she come out come dey air out her displeasure about the particular thing wey be say the person dey do. So make una lis ten to wetin she talk for herself.
Guys, honestly, I'm not okay. I'm actually very sad. I don't understand. I don't understand what's happening, but I don't know whether it's like someone who's just being really evil or what's happening, because someone keeps buying fake followers on my account, and like it's frustrating. Like I even wanna cry because I don't know whether they're trying to have my account taken down by Instagram. I don't understand. Like I was away from Instagram for like, I don't know how long was it, like for a few days. I come back this morning and I saw on Twitter you guys were like, oh, she's back. This morning I wake up and the same thing is happening. Like, what type of evilness it is? I don't understand what it is. Someone who maybe wants me to have more followers and they just maybe they don't mean harm, ne? But they damaging my account. It's not good. Like, it's bad. If maybe you don't mean anything malicious, but buying followers is actually making my account worse. Like, I'm so frustrated right now. Like, it's like it's just ruining my day. Like, honestly, like it's just ruining my day. And I don't know whether they're doing this because they want my account to be taken down, like they're being pure evil. And I just needed to stop, you guys. Like, for real, I just needed to stop. And it's just like chunks of followers. Like, they don't even like it's just chunks. Like, it's a whoever's doing this, like, I just need them to stop. Like, obviously I'm trying to do stuff on my side, like reporting it on Instagram and doing a few things, but it's like, why would you do that? That's like messing up with my money. Like, that's like messing up with my account. It's the same thing as someone hacking my bank account. Like, seriously, because this is where I make money. It's not cute at all. Like, it's the same. Even if I thought about going private, but it's like, I don't think it's gonna help, because it's not like people are requesting. Wait, could it help? Should I go private? Maybe that way. Yes, actually, wait, let me actually go private. Let me go. Thank you, guys. Like, it's really frustrating. Like,
Khosi is a very calm-headed person. Like, she's just so special. Anytime I beside they see this Khosi girl, I not just know. She's just too different. Me for one, they happy say these Big Brother Titan housemates, they are doing well for themselves without disturbing us on the internet space. So onto Bella matter. Bella, she prior to her birthday, she travel go Turkey. For that side, she just dey enjoy herself. Her friend I carry her go there. Two of them go dey celebrate her birthday together. She wey be say Bella travel to Turkey for her birthday. Her boyfriend wey dey call Sheggz travel go Qatar for the Z tour. They go tour Qatar and they go tour Cape Town also. So before Sheggz travel go that side, him don already make promises online, give Bella to say him go drop videos for her, he go do one thing, he go make sure say create content for her. For where omo guy reach there, he no even see road. Today sef I dey see he and Rose wey be say dem dey drop video for us, dey dey for desert. So Bella no even know say her guy dey for serious dilemma for the desert wey be say e dey. From the way Sheggz hold the handle of the car, you go know say omo guy just see shege. So she come take to her social media handle Twitter to come say, please, where's my boyfriend? Not me jumping from one story to the other. I thought he promised us content. Come put emoji wey put hand for head. And so her fan come reply come say, that's how we used to jump. Welcome to the club. Come put laughing emoji. Bella come respond back come say, I never view people's story, but I have been looking for him in everyone's story. In this video wey be say una dey see, so una dey see say Sheggz in dey for desert. So the guy, he no dey think about how he wan take do video right now. Na make he survive that desert first, go back before he go answer Bella. Nothing like when you dey relationship wey una two just get money, una two just dey enjoy together. No matter wetin person talk outside, una no go just hear am because money dey. Other Bella don come back from Turkey, but if she never come back, also wishing her safe journey back to Nigeria. And also Sheggz, Rose and the rest of them wey be say go for the tour for Qatar, we dey wish them safe journey mercies wherever they are going to. Una take care, una bye.